Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView something went wrong app error. So here is how you can easily fix. Step 1 is to check your internet connection and disable the VPN if connected. So sometimes when the Wi-Fi network is slow and weak and also your mobile network causing problem, in that case you will get the something went wrong error. So here firstly you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can try to change your Wi-Fi network. After changing, check the issue is still you are facing, then you can change the network, or you can change your location, like from your bedroom you can go to the open area. Or if you are connected with any kind of VPN, you can switch, you can disable the VPN and then reopen the app again. Step 2, force close and reopen the app. So sometimes simple force close can fix many kind of problems. After closing your app completely, you can simply restart your mobile device and then after reopen the app again. Step 3 is to you can simply clear the cache memory. So sometimes clearing a cache memory can reset the network related and software related issues on your mobile device on the application. So long press on the app, click on app info. Now go to storage usage. Then after click on clear cache. Okay, and then reopen the app again. And the final step is you can simple update the application if any kind of update is available. So you can simple open the Play Store application. Now here go to search. Then after you can here type TradingView and then you can simple check for any kind of update if available. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.